Hi guys, I bought some projector lights for the doors on my Audi A8. They come fitted with puddle lights, so when you open the door it shines down on the pavement, gives you a pool of light so that you can see when you get out the car. These can be replaced with other lights, or in the case of what I bought, some projector lights, various different types with different logos depending on what car you've got. So I'm hoping that this package from Chinese seller on eBay is my lights. So we will open this up and take a look. I've had some of these in the past, so I know what to expect. These are direct replacements for the lights that you currently have in the car. Okay, so I've got 4 of these, front doors and rear doors. And the size of this matches what's in the car already, so they very easy to fit. They basically just press out and these ones go in. So what we'll do is we'll just connect these up to the power supply here, and you can see what they do. They come with dual connectors, so they fit a various number of cars. I think the larger ones are the Audi, but I'll confirm that when we get out to the car. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to connect these up to my power supply. I think they are polarity sensitive, so I expect them just to work one way and not the other. Okay, I haven't got anything white. This box will do. So you can see there, let's just turn this light off for a second. It's quite a nice logo, that. You can get Audi ones, S8, all the other models as well, different makes. If you just search on eBay for logo projector light, you'll be able to see these. So yeah, that looks quite nice. And this will shine on the ground, as I say, when you open the door. This will shine down from the door and project the logo onto the floor. So what we'll do is I'll go out to the car and we'll show you how these are fitted. So at the moment, these doors, they have standard white lights fitted. This is just underneath, and all we need to do is pop these off, put the new ones in. So to get these out, we just need a screwdriver under one end. That should just pop it out. There's 2 little clips on the side of that connector, so we'll just need to push these off. Just had to bend these 2 clips out a little bit, and then I could pull it straight off the light housing. So now it should be just a question of replacing that with the new one. This is what they look like side by side. And the sockets at the end, as you can see, they match up, same size. So that should just be a direct swap. Okay, so I've just clipped this together, and as you can see, it's running. Now they do come in pairs, so it's a mirrored pair for both sides. The cable will only allow you to fit this light in one direction. There isn't enough cable to turn it around, so it needs to be put in this way. But then the logo, see there, is mirrored for each side. So it depends whether you want the S8 or whatever logo you have from the outside of the car, or what the passenger can see when they exit the vehicle. So I'm having mine so that when the doors open, the person inside the car is the right way around for them. So I'll get the rest fitted. Okay, now it's gone a bit darker. I thought I'd just show you what the lights look like. That's probably not the best floor to show them off, but I think you'll agree they look pretty good. Okay, well, thanks for watching. See you next time.